Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 File Explorer not opening and hangs. First method is open File Explorer options in Windows search bar, click File Explorer. Select this PC, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Boot tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK. Disable all unwanted startup apps. Third method is click Start, Settings. Apps, Default Apps. Click Reset Default Apps. Fourth method is type folder options in Windows search bar, change folder options. Uncheck all privacy options, click Apply, click OK. Uncheck Show Preview Handlers in Preview pane. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.